Are you fed up with dry, tangled, or damaged hair that just won't cooperate? This DIY herbal deep conditioner transforms type 4 hair from brittle to buttery soft in just one use. Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to Afro Hair by Adele. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite herbal hair masks for dry, tangled or damaged type 4 hair. It's packed with 6 powerful ingredients, but I'll reveal them one by one as we go, so stick around to see what makes this mask so moisturizing and strengthening. First, we have taro roots, the foundation of our deep conditioner. Taro root contains vitamin A, B6 and E, along with magnesium, potassium and zinc, which help support scalp healing, reduce dandruff and strengthen hair strands. The mucilaginous and starchy nature of taro root makes it a natural softener and strengthener that also gives the mask a nice creamy slip, helping it glide through the hair easily. Secondly, we have fresh aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, E, as well as enzymes that hydrate hair strands, soothe scalp irritation, and promote healthy hair growth. Here comes our signature ingredient, African plum, whose benefits will be seen later on in this video. Our next ingredient is ripe banana. Ripe banana is rich in silica, vitamins B6, and antioxidant which soften the hair strands, improve elasticity and reduce frizz and tangles. The pulp of African plum is packed with fatty acids, vitamin C and polyphenols, which help nourish the scalp, boost shine and protect against oxidative stress. I also use rosemary glycerite. Rosemary glycerite contains rosmarinic acid, antioxidants, and essential oils which stimulate blood flow to the scalp, reduce dandruff, and encourage healthy hair growth. Rosemary glycerite also displays humectant properties, helping the hair retain hydration even after rinsing the mask. To seal in all that moisture, I added my DIY growth butter. This butter blend is rich in fatty acids, vitamin A and E, and anti-inflammatory compounds that deeply moisturize, seal in hydration, and reduce breakage. That's my go-to deep conditioning mask. After rinsing it out, I like to follow up with my handmade scalp cream, leave-in conditioner, and sealant to lock in that moisture, keep my scalp healthy and my curls soft for days. If your hair needs moisture, softness, or strength, give it a try and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the recipe, like the video, leave a comment, and stay tuned for more African herbal hair care videos.